So I decided to make homemade burgers for dinner. So I use ground beef, it's about 96% lean, 4% fat. And then I diced up onions, chives, and yellow pepper, a full onion, a full yellow pepper, and chives. So here's what it looks like. I season it, and then I just bring it around just like that. I massage it. So I get real nice and dirty with these to try to even out the seasoning and the onion and pepper. And I actually added an egg. It's like a binding agent to make sure that the burger patties stay together when I break them apart. But that's what it looks like. Here's the finishing product. We got a homemade burger, whole wheat bun, lettuce, tomatoes, and a guac mixture with some lime, some tomatoes. Got 2 of them things. Got a 3rd one over there with some air fried cauliflower as a side. Let's give it a try. Pretty elite. Better than McDonald's.